Okay, I'm going to show you how to solve a problem on page 176, and this is number 53. So first thing you want to do, we have a multiplication problem here on this side, so we're going to multiply that out. X squared, right? And you know how to multiply this out, right? Minus kx minus 6k squared equals that side there. Not going to do anything. Now, of course, I multiplied this quickly in my head by thinking about the inner and outer terms. I showed you that shortcut today in class. 2k times x is 2kx, and x times minus 3k is minus 3kx. When you add those, you get minus kx. So that's how I got this part here. Now, if you do a comparison, if this equal sign is indeed true, then the coefficient of this x squared has to equal the coefficient of that x squared. Well, this is a 1, and that's a 1. So that's pretty cool. That works. So the coefficient of this x must equal the coefficient of this x. So minus k must equal 2. And if I solve that, I get k equals negative 2. So that's a possible answer. Now, there's one more section we can do. This minus 6 could equal what? Minus 6k squared could equal the negative 24. So watch what happens when I solve that. Minus 6k squared equals minus 24. Divide by negative 6, so you get k squared equals what? Hopefully 4, positive 4. If k squared is 4, what could k be? It could be plus or minus 2. Now, we've got a problem. We've got to test all of these answers and see what answers will work in this equation. So you can test them right up here in this beginning part. If k is negative 2, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So that would give me x minus 4. And if I try the negative 2 here, negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So then I get x plus 6. And if I multiply this out, minus 4x plus 6x, do I get that? Yeah, it checks for negative 2. This solution gave me plus and minus 2. So I wonder if the plus 2 would also work. So let's check that out. What if I put k as plus 2? 2 times 2 is 4, so that would be x plus 4. All right? And if I put k as plus 2 here, 2 times 3 is 6, so I get x minus 6. Now this and this are not the same. Will they give me the same answer there? I wonder. If I multiply this out, x times x, first term, x squared, do the middle terms, a 4x and a minus 6x, minus 2x. 4 times 6 is minus 24. So the positive 2 doesn't give me exactly the same answer. So I can't use both of those. I can use just the k equals negative 2. So that's how you do these few problems, 53, 54, 55. You should be able to do those by comparing the trinomials on both sides. You're comparing the coefficients of the trinomials and getting little algebra equations to solve. But when you get your answers, check them into the very original problem so that you can rule out any of the false answers that you get. Good luck with these.